Greetings. How do you do? Hope all is well with you. Today, we're going to try to figure out how to stream to YouTube and Twitch at the same time. So let's get started. I found this service called restream.io. So it looks like you go to restream.io, sign up for the free one. So we're going to add a Twitch. So it looks like you have to upgrade to remove their branding. But if you want to do it for free, looks like you just have to have some branding in there. It's also connect to YouTube. All right, looks like I have to wait 24 hours to test this out. But in 24 hours, we will test it out. Okay, so we've added Twitch and YouTube. Once those are enabled, you need to go to your settings and copy and paste these credentials into OBS. What that's going to do is send it to Restream, and Restream is going to send it to Twitch and YouTube. Obviously, there will be a small delay. And with the free version, you have to deal with this Restream branding up here, but that's no big deal. You can do the paid plan if you want or not. It's up to you. So anyways, in 24 hours, we'll test this out. So go into OBS, settings, stream, and then we're going to choose restream.io, connect account, type in your email and password here. Okay, and then we're going to click OK. Connect to the Restream account. And it looks like we have some more tabs to deal with in OBS. Stream information, stream title, Fortnite live event. Select the game. Make this bigger. Fortnite. Okay, and it looks like we can get both chats in here. Let's try it out. We'll just start streaming right now. And it looks like it pops up in the Restream, but it looks like it's getting 60 frames per second. Let's check out YouTube Studio, and it appears it's working. Oh, and look at that. It is working on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. So there you have it. I'm actually going to do a live stream of this event here in just a moment, and I guess I'll run it through Restream. So there we go. That's how you stream to 2 different platforms at the same time for free with Restream. But yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope all is well with you, and goodbye.